Have you ever had that moment during a presentation where your mind just goes completely blank, or maybe your heart races or your hands shake, or you're super self-conscious that everybody is staring at you? Have you ever hit that point? You know what I'm talking about. When just getting through it, it just isn't going to cut it anymore. Hi, I'm Deborah Flanagan. As a quantum healer and a hypnotist, I've helped thousands of women with this, and I'm going to show you one of the tools that I recently used with someone who was dealing with all of this and more as she prepared for a major pitch. And it's from step 1, my soul powered method, and this step is one of my favorites. It's all about helping you magnify and amplify your gifts and abilities. It's something super easy to use. You can use it before your next presentation or anytime you're feeling anxious, really, so that you can feel calmer in minutes. So just follow along with me. I'm going to guide you step by step, and you can do this when anyone, anytime, anywhere, with eyes open or closed. Just do whatever feels most comfortable. And you're going to be inhaling and exhaling through your nose and your mouth in a specific pattern, which I like because it gives your mind something to focus on. And so just here goes. So inhale just naturally through the nose, and exhale through the nose. And inhale through the mouth, and exhale through the mouth. Inhale nose, exhale mouth, inhale mouth, exhale nose. That's the full pattern. Let's do it several more times. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose. Inhaling through the mouth. That's right. And exhaling through the mouth. Inhale nose. Just natural, not a deep breath. Exhale mouth. And inhale mouth. And exhale nose. Let's do it again. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose. Inhaling through the mouth. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale nose. Exhale mouth. And inhale mouth. And exhale nose. Going at your own rate and speed. Let's do it again. Inhaling through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Inhale mouth. And exhale mouth. Inhale nose. Exhale mouth. And inhale mouth. Exhale nose. And let's do it again. Inhaling through the nose. Exhaling through the nose. Inhaling mouth. Just a quiet breath. Exhaling through the mouth. Inhale nose. Exhale mouth. Inhale mouth. And exhale nose. And if I'm guiding you faster or slower than your natural comfortable breath, just feel free to modify it as needed. This is for you. Traditionally, this technique is done from 1 to 11 minutes. If you're just starting out, if you feel a little lightheaded, do it for a shorter time period as you're getting used to it. Let's do it a few more times so that you can really relax into it and relax more deeply. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose. Inhaling through the mouth, exhaling through the mouth. That's right. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the mouth. Inhaling through the mouth, and exhale through the nose. Let's do it again. Inhaling through the nose, and exhaling through the nose. Inhaling through the mouth. That's right. Exhaling through the mouth. Inhale nose and exhale mouth. Inhale mouth and exhale nose. And again, inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the nose. Inhaling through the mouth, exhaling through the mouth. Inhale nose, exhale mouth. And inhale mouth, exhale nose. One more time. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose. Inhaling through the mouth. Exhaling through the mouth. Inhale nose. Exhale mouth. Inhale mouth. And exhale through the nose. One more time. Inhaling through the nose. And exhaling through the nose. Inhaling through the mouth. Exhaling through the mouth. Inhale mouth. Exhale nose. Inhale nose. And exhaling through the mouth. That's right. And again, inhaling through the nose. And exhaling through the nose. Inhaling through the mouth. And exhaling through the mouth. Just allowing the mind to calm. Inhaling through the nose. And exhaling through the mouth. And inhaling through the mouth. And exhaling through the nose. And again, inhaling through the nose. Exhaling through the nose. Inhaling through the mouth. Exhaling through the mouth. Easily and naturally inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. Inhaling through the mouth and exhaling through the nose. And again, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose. Inhaling through the mouth easily and naturally and exhaling through the mouth. Inhale nose, exhale mouth, and inhale mouth. Last time, exhale through the nose. That's right. Just noticing what you notice. What do you notice? Maybe your mind is a little calmer. It balances the right and left hemispheres of the brain when you do this so you can feel more focused and calm. Just notice what you notice. This is one that you can save to watch later. Maybe you feel a little less tense in the body. You can use it when you're feeling stressed. Again, that person I worked with, she loved doing it before her presentation. You could do it before a meeting. A quick reset to have in your toolbox so that you have it whenever you need it. Save it to watch later. And I really appreciate it if you could like it, share in the comments, and tell me what stresses you out around public speaking. Of course, this isn't going to solve everything that you have with public speaking, so just watch the next video.